Hey there, creative minds! In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a clean and functional daily notepad insert using Adobe InDesign. Whether you're creating for personal use or planning to sell printables, this guide will walk you through everything, from setting up your layout to exporting a ready-to-print file. So grab your coffee, fire up InDesign, and let's get designing. So create a new document on InDesign. And for this tutorial, I have 11 by 8.5, so that'll be a landscape orientation. And I didn't check facing pages, I only have one page. And for my margin, I use 0.3. You can do or use 0.5 or 0.4, whatever you want. And then just hit create. Now that we're here, I'm on Essentials Classic, so if you want to follow along, you might want to change yours also to Essentials Classic. And I always click this over print preview so I won't see any lines on any of my elements. So now that we're here, just go to layout and we'll create a guide. Make sure that the preview is enabled so you'll be able to see the guide. Okay, we have two columns here. I want two columns because I want to design one here and I can copy everything from here to here. So I'll actually have two daily notes in one page. And the gutter is this space in between these lines. So I can make this a little bit bigger, maybe like so. And make sure that it fit to margins and not the page. It will fit on this purple ones and not on the entire page. Okay, and then just hit OK. So you will be creating only within these lines or margin. Okay, so now I'm going to create a line here. Put it in the middle. Okay, you will know if it's in the middle because you will see this purple line. And I'll make it about 0.5, maybe dotted, maybe a little bit thicker, 0.75, so I'll see it. So you can cut it or fold it on this middle line here. So now let's start creating. So let's go to text and then just type, let's say, today's intention. I want to make this, I like to use poppins. Let's semi-bold, and the other one I can do thin one. Now click on this rectangle tool and today's intention. I'm gonna go maybe this big and just thin enough. Okay, and I want this rounded. So all you have to do is either you can choose from here or just simply click on this yellow square here and move these yellow ones, right? To have however rounded you want it. Okay, there you go. Let's see, put it all the way there. Now I can copy this one, just hold the Option or the Alt key and put it over here. Oh, maybe like somewhere here. Okay, and now let's shorten this. That. This will be, hold on, this is date, and this will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and from here just put maybe 350. That will have a space in between those. And I want this thin as well, and maybe a little bit smaller. Okay, and I'll just move it all the way here. Right, now that you have that, I can copy this one again, hold the Option or the Alt key somewhere here. Maybe this is so, and I can copy this also, put it in the middle. I can say personal to-do lists, center it, make sure it's in the middle again, and arrange it and bring it to front. Let's put a background on this element, a white one. Now go to table and create table. Let's say 5 and 2. So we can actually create the table. Oops. It's okay. There. All right. So now highlight the entire table Make sure it's all highlighted or enabled and make it 0.5 so it's the same as the other boxes. And now disable the middle lines over here, the borders. And so you only have these lines enabled or the borders, outside borders enabled. We don't want any color, or I don't want any color in that one. So I'll just choose none. So it will look like that. And now I can move this over here. So it's kind of like a checkbox, and then just move like that. So now I have a personal to-do list. Now I can copy this, copy to here. I can change this. Maybe work to-do lists. We still have a big space over here. Maybe we can make it a little bit bigger. Okay, maybe add, you can add rows more. Okay, let's delete that one first. There you go. Let's arrange this, send it to back, and then there. Personal to-do list. Copy that one again in your work to-do list. Okay, let's group this. Group this. Just hit on Command G, and if you click on those two, you can do a line here. And now let's copy this. Command C. Say good things, and let's do another one. Okay, then click on this. Say, I am proud of myself for, maybe this can be thin. All right. And now you can click another one. Mood. Let's copy that over here. Okay. If you hit on W, you'll be able to see that. Okay. Now, all you have to do is highlight everything, and then just group them, do Command G. Now you have that. Just drag it all the way here, like that. So now you have two. So we can change this. You can change the font, the color, whatever. So for example, let's ungroup this one first. Use whatever or do whatever color you want. You can also create a new color swatch here or color tint. Let's say I want like a beige, like that. You can add it, hit done. But make sure it's light enough so you can write on it actually. So maybe like that. So that'll be what? 26 tint. So what you can do is just copy on this one. This and this can have this color with tint 26. So you can have it like that. Design this however you want. Put some elements from some graphics or images. And I normally get my graphics and images in Creative Fabrica and Creative Market. And if you haven't subscribed to them yet, just click on the link in my description and I have the link for you there, and you get a free trial. So now you have like 2 daily notes or notepads that you can use. All right, so once you're done with that, you can go to File, Export, just use either PDF or JPEG, and then save it. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a creative tip. Got questions or want to see more printable design tutorials? Drop a comment below and I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating. Bye!